guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nida Siddiqui, and if you're watching me for the first time, go hit that subscribe button to follow me. And guys, today we are going to talk about two products from Wow Skin Science, which are Amazon Rainforest collection and mineral face wash with crude volcanic clay, and another one is similarly from Amazon Rainforest collection, and this is mineral face pack, Brazilian kaolin white clay, Purity oil, vitamin E for firmer and smoother skin. So first we are going to talk about the face wash. This has Brazilian volcanic crude clay, kaolin, aloe vera extract, vitamin B5 and E, which are very helpful for our skin. This is for oil-free, hydrated and clear skin, and this has no paraben, no silicone, no sulfate, no color, which means it's really safe for your skin. And next up we have this QR code on this product. You can scan and check the authenticity of the product, and this has all the natural ingredients. So we are going to talk about the quantity of the product. This has 100 ml, which will go for a really long time. How to use the product. We are going to talk about our face pack, which you can use twice a week or thrice a week, whenever you just feel like. And similarly, this has no chemical formulation. This is totally made from natural ingredients, and this collection is called as, guys, Amazon Rainforest collection. So this comes up with the brush in the package only, and then you can apply with the help of brush. If you like this video, you need to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that our new video dekh sake. Bye bye. Love you.